Greetings, merchants! Criptolia.site is the subject of our examination and analysis today. Criptolia.site has recently been the subject of scrutiny, as the shortage of available information has raised significant concerns for potential users. Key concerns: low trust score. According to Scam Detector, Criptolia.site has received an extremely low trust score of 1%, indicating a high likelihood of fraudulent activity. Lack of regulation. There is no evidence of Criptolia.site being registered or regulated by recognized financial authorities, raising significant investor protection concerns. Negative reviews. Trustpilot shows limited user feedback, with only one review available as of June 2024. This lack of user experiences is unusual for a legitimate platform. Fraudulent practices. Safe Web Tips explicitly warns users to steer clear of Criptolia.site, citing fraudulent shopping practices. Limited transparency. There is a notable lack of clear information about the company's background, leadership, or physical location. Red flags to consider. Unrealistic promises. Be wary of any platform promising exceptionally high or guaranteed returns. Pressure tactics. Legitimate investment firms do not use aggressive sales techniques or urge quick decisions. Withdrawal issues. Some fraudulent platforms make it difficult or impossible to withdraw funds. Protecting yourself. Avoid deposits. Given the numerous red flags, it's strongly advised not to deposit any funds or personal information on Criptolia.site. Verify claims. Always cross-check a company's regulatory claims with official sources. Seek professional advice. Consult with a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Report suspicious activity. If you suspect fraudulent behavior, report it to relevant authorities. There are resources available if Criptolia.site scammed you, but exercise caution. Avoid being a victim of another get-your-money-back-quick scam. Instead, contact brokercomplaintalert.com to get a free consultation and recovery service. We provide recommendations to get help in recovering the lost funds. Report your case to us. You can find the link in the video description. Before you invest with any broker, do your homework. Read independent reviews, check their regulations.